In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gemini activity log. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a specific entry from your Gemini activity log and confirm it's gone, without second-guessing any clicks. First, open your Gemini account. This means launching the Gemini app or going to the Gemini website and signing in if you aren't already. Give the page a moment to fully load so all your account options appear correctly. It's always a good idea to make sure your app or browser is up to date for the smoothest experience. Next, click Settings. On most screens, Settings is represented by a small gear icon, often found in the top corner. If you're on desktop, it may appear in a side menu. On mobile, it could be under a profile or menu button. The goal here is simply to get into your account's configuration area where you control privacy and activity options. From within Settings, click Activity. This section lists your recent actions tied to your Gemini account. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You should see items organized by date and time, sometimes with short descriptions that help you recognize what each entry represents. If you don't see activity right away, look for a label closely related to history or privacy. Different layouts may group these controls together. Now scroll down and find the specific activity you want to delete. Read the timestamp and description carefully so you're selecting the correct entry. If an item looks similar to another, compare details and proceed slowly. Deleting activity is permanent, so take a second to make sure you've identified the exact one you want to remove. If you need to double-check what it is, pause here and confirm before moving on. When you're ready, click the X next to that activity entry, then confirm the deletion. A confirmation prompt usually appears to prevent accidental removals. This is your final checkpoint. Review the item one last time, then choose to confirm. After you approve, the entry should disappear from the list. If the page doesn't refresh automatically, wait a moment, or gently navigate away and back to activity to see the updated log. Keep in mind that changes can take a short time to sync across devices. That's it. You opened your Gemini account, went into Settings, selected Activity, located the exact entry, clicked the X and confirmed the deletion. Repeat the same process for any other items you want to remove, and remember to proceed carefully so you only delete what you truly intend to clear.